So let me show you how to use the Best Replenishment tool to help replenish merchandise by first transferring overstocks from other stores, and then if needed, ordering additional stock from your supplier, from your vendor. So for this demonstration, I'm going to focus on a specific item, this wood bat item right here. So let me show you the quantities for this particular item across the company. Okay, so as you can see, for this particular item, looks like we have a minimum of 10 and 30 for each store. Okay, it looks like store 0 has more than their min, so they don't need to order anything. Looks like store 1 has a need, looks like it's below its min. Okay, so it looks like it's probably going to need 25 to order up to its max. And it looks like stores 2, 3, and 4 are overstocked, which means that they have on-hand quantities that are above or more than their max quantity. So it looks like we have 5, 5, and 5, so 15 overstocks. It looks like stores 5 and 6 have sufficient stock. So just based on these numbers, I would expect the Best Replenishment tool to transfer 5 from store 2, 3, and 4 to store 1. And looks like store 1 will need to order 10 more in order to satisfy its need of 25 units. Okay, so let me back out. And I will access purchasing Best Replenishment. There it is. I'll just hit next. I will run this tool for all stores. Okay. I will go ahead and analyze all my order documents. I'll order up to my max quantity level if I need to order. And by the way, I will use my mid-level as the reorder point. So only stores where the quantity falls below the min will they want to order up to the max. And for any necessary transfer documents, I will create transfer orders with these details. For any purchase order documents, I will create a single store dropship PO, again with these details. And for the filter details, I'll go ahead and filter specifically for that wood bat. Okay, so we'll limit this demonstration to this specific item. Hit next and finish. Great. So here are the results. So based on our data for this particular item, notice that stores 2, 3, and 4 will transfer, here it is, order quantity, will transfer 5, 5, and 5 each to store 1. So that's 15. And then store 1 will order 10 more. So we know this is a order because this checkbox says use PO. And we know these 3 are transfer orders or transfers because this box is not checked. All right, so 3 transfers and 1 order. We'll say OK, and this will create our documents. Done. So let's go over to the purchase orders. So here's our last purchase order. Let's go to form view. It's for that item, quantity of 10 to store 1. Let's back out. Let's go to the transfers area. So here's 3 new transfer orders, okay, from store 2, 3, and 4. So this one is from store 4, a quantity of 5 for this wood bat to go to store 1. So here's the next transfer order. So from store 3 to store 1, quantity of 5. I'll hit next. From store 2 to store 1, quantity of 5 for this item. So that's it. That's using the Best Replenishment tool to help you replenish your merchandise.